seen the hoardings and all on the holding and all on the on the road or somewhere on the poles? You might have seen some advertisement display board. That is another type. Now in classified, there can be many things. Okay, in this advertisement, it can be on many topic. बहुत से topic पे हो सकती है. Okay, there can be many topics, like for the sale of anything. It can be sale of house, it can be sale of property, it can be sale of vehicles, it can be sale of household goods and all, TV, fridge, refrigerator, anything it can be. Okay. Then to let जो किराए के लिए देते हैं, that is the heading we write. To let or sale of house, sale of cloth. Then situation vacant, actually that is for the employment purpose. Situation want and situation vacant. Situation vacant, this advertisement is given by the employer institution की तरफ से होता है, that particular drivers wanted, receptionist wanted, teachers wanted. And if someone wants that employment, अगर किसी को काम की जरूरत है, then he will write situation this wanted, situation wanted, and then he or she will write the qualification and all experience and the interesting sometime on that job alert and all this sort of advertisement you might have seen on the this one internet net पे होती है. Then missing person, उसकी missing की भी दे सकते हैं. We can, someone is missing, we have to give a description of the person, उसका कितने, what is the height, what is the color of the hair, clothes and all, his way of speaking, which language he speaks, any identification mark is there, that also can be written. And contact number and how to contact if someone is found, that अगर किसी को मिल जाता है तो how to inform, कैसे inform करना है. Okay, then this can be tools and change of name also. Sometimes we change the name, then we have to give advertisement in the newspaper that my name should be called so and so after this one. इसके बाद, because then in the official document, after the seeing that cutting of that newspaper की जो cutting होती है, after that it will be changed the in the documents, official documents, whatever documents are there, in that it will be changed. Okay, so like this there will be a advertisement. So we will be discussing one by one, and let's start with the first one. First is okay, to let. Now for writing this one, actually we have to keep in mind two, three things for to let. First you have to write the heading. To let. To let. Like this. Okay. Heading. This will be the heading. Then you have to write the details about the what to let. To let means it is for the rooms. Area, how many rooms are there, what is the condition, east west facing, parking procedures, provisions and all. You have to explain each and then rent, term and condition. Terms means what is the rent and all, that is condition you have. And then contact, how to contact means on that. For example, to let. Now for the to let, you can write in the a newly constructed. Okay, you can write a newly built, newly constructed. uh, in this you can write marla also, 6 marla, 5 marla, 4 marla, or 2 bhk. Normally we find bhk also, bedroom, hall and kitchen. Bedroom, hall and kitchen. 2 bhk, 3 bhk, 3 bedrooms, hall and kitchen. Okay, this is the set you can write. Like this you can write for the to let किराए के लिए. And the same thing can be given in even for the house for sale. House for sale, that also, when there instead of rent and all, you have to write the price. Okay, so and other facility in the area also you can explain. For example, to let a newly built, a newly constructed built, constructed 3 bhk BHK. You can write Marla also. Okay? You can write Marla also, ground floor, first floor, and all this. You can write this 3 BHK in area. You can in urban estate, 3 BHK in urban estate. A newly constructed 3 BHK, 3 bedroom hall and kitchen, newly constructed in urban estate is available available on rent or rent on rent or rent. Now you can describe what is the house is the house is east west facing east west facing east west facing with proper provision of car parking. Car parking. Car parking or parking provision with good provision of parking or parking provision. You can write even car parking. You can write parking provision. Okay. Other thing, the area is the area is fully dwelt with all civic facilities. All civic facilities. All civic facilities. Even addition, you can. There is a beautiful lawn in front and back of the house. There is a beautiful lawn. It is on the main road. It is on the main road. Main road you can write with all civic facilities. All civic facilities means like schooling, banking, marketing, medical, everything. Okay. All civic facilities. Now interested person or you can contact interested person. Then you can write rent expected rent expected rupees 12,000. You can write anything per month. Interested person. This is the condition actually. You have to write a heading, details. In details, you can write even so many things. It is east west facing, it is on the main road, and it is very near to the GT road and all. Other simple facilities you can explain that. Okay. Newly constructed 3 BHK, 6 Marla, 4 Marla, 10 Marla, you can write in urban estate is available. Even you can write the rooms are spacious. Here you can add as many details as you want. Okay. But you write everything within the word limit. Okay, rooms, for example, you can write rooms are spacious, fully furnished, and modular kitchen, attached bathroom, everything you can give. Attached rooms, airy and spacious, that you can add. Okay, whatever you want, you can add. You can avoid any other things, but everything you have to write within the word limit. Uh, Rooms are airy and spacious. Uh, attached bath, attached bath, modular kitchen. Any other specialty you want to explain, you can explain that. Okay. So rent expected 12,000 per month. Interested person can contact. Interested person can contact. Interested person can contact. You can give the phone number. Okay. Mobile number. You can write anything. And even timing also you can do. If you are an office goer, means you go to office, you will not be able to pick up the phone and all. So you can give the fixed time. Mobile number so and so. Time you can between 7 to 9 p.m. Okay. Between 5 to 7 p.m., between 7 to 9 p.m., you can give time. And area also you can. It is in urban estate, 3 BHK, 3 bedroom, hall and kitchen. And specialty of the a house also you can explain. उसकी specialty आप बता सकते between so and so. Okay, write down here. You can write down number 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, something whatever you think. 10 figures you can write. Okay, 2 lakh. This is for 2 lakh. Okay, note down please. You can add any other specialty, any other description if you want to give regarding this. Okay. In this, if you want to give any other description, like rooms are spacious, airy, and this one attached bath, modular kitchen, fully furnished, newly built, in the heart of city, you can add something. But everything has to be done within the word limit. Within the word limit. Okay. Like this, you can write. Suppose it is for sale. You can write. You have to again explain the same thing. Have you written? I think everyone might have written. Yes. Note down, please. Like this. Let's see. Okay. So suppose it is for sale. It can be for sale also. Then you have to write here in place of this one is available for sale. Okay. These are the things you have to mention. House for sale. Uh, like this. House for sale, a newly constructed. In the same, you can add something. Newly constructed 3 BHK, 6 matla, 5 matla, ground floor, top floor, first floor. You can write anything. In urban estate is available for sale. Again, you tell the this give the description of the house. Anything you can write, and even reason also you can. The owner is going to abroad, and all you can write. The owner is going to abroad like this. The house is expressed facing with proper provision of car parking or good parking provision. The area is fully developed with all civic facilities and is available for sale. Owner is going abroad. Their owner is going to abroad. Reasonable price will be demanded. Or you can say price is negotiable. Price is negotiable. Price is negotiable means by discussion it can be settled or at reasonable price. At reasonable price. Here price is negotiable. Reasonable price. Reasonable price will be demanded. Reasonable price will be demanded. Again, you can interested person, interested party. Interested person, interested party can contact so and so. Phone number, time you can tell. Again, house for sale. A newly constructed 3 BHK in urban state in Ramesh Nagar in modern town in the heart of city. You can write anything. For sale is available for sale. The house is east-west facing, newly constructed with all civic facilities and all fully furnished. East-west facing, fully furnished with proper provision, a good provision of car parking. You can add any other description if you want. इसके अंदर जो भी description आप करना चाहते that can be added, उसको add किया जा सकता है. Note down this one also, house for sale. House for sale. House for sale. Okay. You have to mainly keep in mind heading, details, condition, terms and condition. What is the condition? For example, price and all, and then contact number. Okay. Mainly four things. And it must be very catchy and attractive. अच्छा होना चाहिए, attractive होना चाहिए, and it must be in a simple language. बिल्कुल simple में, accurate in simple language. In and you have to write within word limit. अपने बिल्कुल word limit में लिख. Okay. Next one we will go for the one more we will write sale, and this one sale for the sale it can be plot also. Plot also can be sale. Okay. And even other agricultural land also can be offered for sale like this. Agricultural land for sale. Then plot for sale. Plot in urban estate. There you have to write now. Okay. There you have to write urban. And they are 6 marla, 10 marla, east-west facing plot, corner plot, and there is a beautiful park in front and back of the plot. Back of the plot, there you have to write plot, 6 marla, 10 marla, east-west facing, east-west facing, and it is on the main road. Main road. Area is again you have to write. Area is fully developed. Main road, beautiful park. Near beautiful park or beautiful lawns in front or back side. In front or back side, you can write about the plot. Anything for sale. It means you have to give a detailed description of that and what are the other facilities are available. वहाँ पर जो दूसरी facilities available हैं उनके बारे में. Okay. Now let's vehicle for sale. I think you might have written this one. Yes, students. You have written, I think. Now let's talk about that.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Vehicle, car for sale, motorcycle for sale. Now let's go. Okay. Car for sale. Car for sale. Car for sale. You have to write. Start with the white color. White Maruti Zen, whatever Alto you can. Okay. Maruti. White Maruti. Okay. White Maruti in model also you have to write. Okay. 2020. 2020 model. Model. Yes. You can write a model also. White Maruti to 2020. No virus model. 2020 model. A white Maruti in excellent running condition. Excellent running condition is available for sale. Now in this you can write this. Okay. Like what the condition? What is the condition? Now description you have to description of the that car. What are the condition? It is accident free. It is accident free. Single handed. single-handed, accident-free, single-handed, and it has and done only done only 5,000 kilometer, only 5,000 kilometer. Is fully insured. It is fully insured and installed with Sony Music System. Any other specialty? Okay. Any specialty, any description you want to give. Accident fully insured, done only 5,000 kilometer or whatever it is fully insured. Accident free, single-handed with Sony Music System installed. Any other? Okay. Owner is going abroad. Owner is going abroad. Reasonable, reasonable price will be demanded. You can also add here is available for sale on reasonable price. Available for sale on reasonable price. It is an accident. It is an accident single-handed and done only 5,000 kilometers. Means it has done 5,000 kilometers and it has covered only 5,000 kilometers. Now it is fully insured, installed with a Sony Music System or any other, I think, air brakes and all whatever you want to write. And owner is going abroad, reasonable price will be there. Interested person, again now your price here. Interested person can contact mobile where you can write even timing also again you can write the timing. इसका time भी लिख सकते हैं. Okay, note down this one please. Yes.